This is a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson in high speed. The title of the lesson is Rolling Fists with Legs Crossed. By the way, if you'd like to do the lesson right now, or watch the gist, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's watch the lesson quickly. Lie on your back please. Let your whole body become familiar with this position. Make gentle fists. Thumbs need to be out of the fists. Roll both fists up and down together. Rest. Roll fist up and down but opposite direction to each other. Are clavicles and chest moving differently now? Which way does your face want to look? Leave it alone and stand both knees. Do the same movement. You roll your right fist up. At the same time roll your left fist down. Cross your knees. Bring left knee over right thigh. Do this a few times. Tilt both knees to the left and then leave them there. Roll the fists to the opposite direction. Does a fist roll more than the other? This twisted position affects somewhere else. Bring the knees back to the center and rest. Again, lengthen your legs and roll them to the opposite direction. Right leg over the other, tilt them to the right and keep them there. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Is there any relation between rolling fists and tilting legs? Leave legs as they are tilted even more and roll fists to the opposite direction. Roll fists to the opposite direction with legs extended. Rest. Roll onto your stomach, both arms long and roll fists up and down together, to the same direction, now, to the opposite direction, now, rest. Bend your knees and tilt the legs left and right, tilt them to the right and cross the knees. Roll fists to the opposite direction from each other. You may feel this position awkward, so do it gently. Bring them back and rest. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Do you feel any difference? Rest. Look the other way. Look right. Roll fists opposite direction. Cross right leg over the other and tilt them to the left a few times. Leave them tilted and roll fists opposite direction. Bring them back. In this position, roll fists to the opposite direction. Rest. Rest on your back please. Again, roll fists to the opposite direction. Lie on your right side. Get familiar with this position and, if you like, you may use a pillow. Extend left arm to the ceiling and right arm to the front on the floor. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Your body may roll backward. Rest. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Roll onto your left side. Try to get familiar with this position. Extend right arm to the ceiling and left arm to the front on the floor. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Cross right leg over the other and do the same movement. Reverse the crossing of the legs. Both legs together. Rest on your back please. Roll fists to the opposite direction. What are the differences from the beginning? Stand both knees. Rest. Roll fists to the same direction with legs long.